Okay, so this is one quick video clip to just show how to put personalized faults and values and display them on the screen for diagnostics. So this can be quite useful if you're trying to find out whether a wire's broken somewhere. So Diagbox interface has got quite a good few options for that. To do so, we just need to go to the fault finding menu. So I've already completed the scan here, so I can just go into this. Now, for whatever system you want to debug, so for instance we want to, in this case, we want to have a look at this injection preheating relay circuit fault. We just have to go into the fault, so we can do that on the tick here. And then here we want to go into the personalized parameter measurements. And in this particular menu you can actually select what values you want to display on the graph. So for example, say we wanted to let's see if we wanted to display some electrical information. Let's go and put something like engine speed on the graph. So let's just put a tick next to this one. Let's also put the battery voltage on, because I will actually be reading a value. And then let's also, what else should we put on? Doesn't really matter too much, but really just to show the process. So let's just look at the fuel circuit, possibly. Also, I've put two parameters on there from the electrical system. Now I just need to find the cursor back. Let's just put the measured airflow on there as well. And again, these values are not going to read anything because the engine isn't on. But yeah, so I've selected my parameters. And let's put the coolant temperature on as well, just for the fuel temperature. So I'm going to select my parameters. I've got them validated. Here we can see we've actually started to, well, we've now got all these values on graphs. So we've got measured airflow at about 0, fuel temperature is about 8-9 degrees, which is reasonable for this time of year. The fuel temperature and the engine cooler temperature are about the same again. So one is on about 6, the other one's on about 8. Air conditioning pressure status, that's just a digital value, and engine speed is on 0 RPM, as we'd expect. And then battery voltage is on about 12-14, so that's as expected, or as well as 12.05 at the moment, so that's fine. So that's a very useful way to then show, I'll show you live values from the vehicle. And again, if we want to just take a static print from this, we just have to pause the log, and then once it's paused we can then go into the print menu and we can export this into a PDF again, and then we've got those values there to show real life traces. So I hope that's useful in debugging, because you can obviously you can put values on there and see what's going on in real time, and you can choose any vehicle values. So yeah, make good use of that if you're debugging a fault in the vehicle. But thank you.